going on, guys? We are in New York City on the lower west side.
Oh, hello, West Side.
And we are checking out a new attraction here in New York City called Little Island. Meeting a friend inside. She's already bought some snacks. She said, get in here, I'm in here waiting. So we're gonna go inside and meet up with a friend that you've seen in some of my other videos. And it's gonna be a great time. So let's check out this new New York City attraction called Little Island. All right, guys, so we're down here, low side of 14th Street on the west side of Manhattan. And we're checking out this new attraction here called Little Island. Money was donated to build this. I think it cost a few $1 million, obviously. It looks like it would have. But all these little pillars were put in the water. And then a park was built on top. So it's pretty cool. Can't wait to go inside. Look at this. Out in the middle, this is the Hudson River. That's New Jersey. Let's see what they're doing over here. Happy birthday. All right, let's go in. Someone said they're right inside with snacks waiting, which I would believe is right over here. So we got a nice little, as you walk in, nice little waiting area. It's got an amphitheater, restrooms. And look who we have here. Carla
Rupp.
Rupp. Carla Marie Rupp.
Hi.
As you know, you've seen Carla in many of Zeekman videos and Jason's videos. And she's back from Mexico. So as you come into the park, into Little Island, this is where we came in. They have like this food court area. This one has a whole bunch of different things, like some bites and sips. Got some nice snacks here. Turmeric latte, look at that. Got some beers here. No Two Roads, but Foxborough, Bronx, 6 Point, all New York beers. And got some cocktails and wine. So got this little beverage cart. This is more snacks. So this is some nice different snacks over here. Smoked Gouda fried mac and cheese. Ooh, nice. And then they have it all kind of planned out for you, vegetarian, vegan, whatever. And then over here, got some beers. What's going on, guys? Hello, YouTube.
Come to Little Island.
Yes. Got some awesome, it's just cool. We got a lot of things going on. A little pricey, of course,
YouTube channel.
Zeekman, Zeekman.
We're gonna look that up.
Yeah. So I don't know if there's really any specific way that they tell you to go in and out, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, so we're gonna walk through. There's different paths you can take, and I don't know, you want to go up here? Go this way. But look, it's got all nice flowers planted. As you can see, it's a little rainy today, but that's why it's not so crowded. They were just saying that when they opened, it was like 80 out, and it was very busy here. It's like a little oasis in New York City.
Benches.
Yeah. It's like a nature walk. So it's kind of cool because you got all these like nice plants, and then you have like the real life city right behind it. It's like such a contrast, don't you think, Carla?
I think so, yes. We can see the top of the Empire State Building there.
Right here,
And the
yeah.
Hudson River.
Yep.
And you can tell it really is an island.
Yeah. All right. Oh, this spinny thing.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, was I sitting on it? I was trying to move it, but it's already moving.
Whoa. That thing is crazy.
Yeah.
It is very mesmerizing.
I could start this.
Do you spin it, or does it spin on its own? Oops, sorry. Whoa. What do you think of that?
I like it. It's pretty cool. The eye.
It is like an eye. And then they have these benches that are like all carved out of wood and just all full of nature. And we've been climbing, like as you walk through these paths, they bring you up, up, up. So here's like a nice little area where you can sit. And then, again, brings you out back to city views. So Empire State Building, and then the view of lower Manhattan.
And the Freedom Tower.
The Freedom Tower down there. So if you guys see this steel structure right here, that's right near the entrance for Little Island here. And the guides and the people that work here were telling me a story that was the steel structure that was built for when the Titanic was gonna come into port in New York City. That was originally gonna be like the welcoming spot for the Titanic. And it's pretty awesome that they kept it there and it's preserved here and down in a very lower Manhattan. But yeah, so that's where it was. The Titanic welcoming sign right there. Pretty awesome. So if you look over here, that's another part that we're gonna go up and we're gonna check out over there. Looks like it's gonna have some really cool skyline views on that side. But this is all Little Island here in Lower West Side Manhattan. Oh,
Very
yeah.
green.
Look at this, nice little green area. Very green, right? It's nice.
We can see New Jersey over there.
Yep.
Jersey City.
Jersey City over on the other side. Cool. So down here is like a little stage area. It looks like for little performances or, you know, some bands to play or anything. It looks really cool, huh? Then we have the cleanest sidewalks in New York City.
Yeah.
Just climbing and climbing and climbing. And then that's Jersey City, Lower Manhattan.
Yeah, no, definitely. San Bernard Northwest.
Yeah, we can go this way. It's fine.
Spinning, spinning,
Spinning.
spinning.
Spinning. Out of control. So this is a cool amphitheater here also. It's like for music, plays maybe, all kinds of cool stuff. Look at this. Check it out.
Well, yeah, for water fatigue. Yeah.
Told my baby I ain't nothing like the last one, so she gon' hold it down till the back come. Break the bread down to the last crumb. She was solid way before I ever had none. Set on fire ain't alright. So how we
Come back to Little Island.
All right.
what I'm whipping it in for? So all I'm asking is you hold me down. I don't want no trouble when you come around. 'Cause I be on fire and not sound. Ain't nobody got time for the run around. Seen it coming, maybe this the life I lead. Some things I want, but I might not need. And there's some things I want, but I might not need. Start going up, it's getting pricey.
What a cool space here in Lower Manhattan, Little Island Park. Brand new park here. Pretty cool. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys soon.
All I'm asking is you hold me down. I don't want no trouble when you come around. 'Cause I be on fire and not sound. Ain't nobody got time for the run around. Seen it coming, maybe this the life I lead. Some things I want, but I might not need. And there's some things I want, but I might not concentrate. I ain't trying to lose my focus. I feel I'm beginning to give it all I can. Even though I think I lost my patience, and I ain't trying to leave myself so open. Not today, and I won't leave them too intoxicated.